A very warm good afternoon to all of you. Dear students, today I'll perform one activity in which I will show you the importance of meristematic tissue in your plant cell. Okay? And to show plant cell, I will take onion bulb. Clear? 2 onion bulbs and 2 glass jars which are filled with water. Okay? Now, what I will do, first of all, I'll take the 2 onion bulbs, okay, and I'll place one on each jar. Please make it sure that the size of the bulb should be big as comparison to the mouth of your jar. Clear? I'll observe the growth of the roots in both the bulb for a few days, okay, and I'll measure the length of the roots on day 1, day 2, day 3. Clear to all? These roots will grow with time. On day 4th, okay, I'll cut the root tip of the onion bulb in jar 2 by about 1 centimeter, okay, and after this I'll observe the growth of roots in both the jars and measure their length each day for 5 more days, okay, that is day 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay, and I'll observe that and I'll record that in my observation table, okay, and after these 9 days I'll be able to give you the result of this activity. Understood? And you will be also able to answer the following question which I'll tell you now. Your first question is that which of the 2 onions has longer root and why? You have to tell this answer to me after 9 days. Clear? Second question, do the roots continue growing even after we have removed the tip? Just observe, okay, and tell me answer after 9 days. Third question, why would the tip stop growing in jar 2 after we cut them? Okay, so please perform this activity today only, okay, and come up with your result after 9 days. I hope so that you all have enjoyed. Thank you and have a nice day. Dear students, if you remember, a few days back, we have performed one activity in which I have told you that we need to take 2 jars filled with water and 2 onion bulbs. Okay? And then I have asked you to place them, okay, on this jar for 4 days, and after 4 days you have to take the onion of jar 2, okay, and you have to cut the tip of the roots of this onion bulb, okay. So here I'm placing it, okay, and with the help of scissor or blade you can cut the tip of these roots, okay. Tip means what? Tip means, students, okay, tip means this portion, okay. So this say I have cut, okay. Next, this also I will cut, okay. You can cut with the help of blade, okay, or you can in this way, okay. So see here I have cut the tip, okay. It is visible to you, okay. This is the tip of your root, okay, and this tip contains, student, meristematic tissue. As I have told you earlier that meristematic, that apical meristem is present at the tip of your root and stem, okay. So if there is no presence of apical meristem, okay, as I have cut it, okay, so I can see that further there would be no growth in the length of your root, okay. So this also we will observe after 5 more days, okay. So for today your work is what? Your work is to cut the tip of all the roots, okay. Just see that where is the tip, okay. This is the tip, just cut it, okay. Cut off all the roots, okay, and you will observe that there is no growth in the root after 5 days, okay. when I will compare it with the roots of your jar 1. Okay, so I hope so that you have understood. Thank you and have a nice day. A very warm good afternoon to all of you. Dear students, I hope so that you remember these two, jar and onion, as this activity we had performed at the beginning of our chapter. Okay, and in that I have told you that after 4 days you need to cut the tip of the roots of onion in jar 2. Okay, I hope so that you have cut, and after 5 days I have told you that we will observe that what had happened. Okay, so now students, what we have observed, just see, this is the onion bulb of your root of jar 2. Okay, and this is the onion of your jar 1. Here I haven't cut the root tip. Okay, see the changes in the growth of the root. Okay, anyone can tell me that why this difference is there, though I have dipped these on the same day? But the change which I did on 4th day was that I had cut the meristematic tissue which is present at the tip of your root. Okay, those were known as apical meristem, and we know that apical meristem is responsible for increasing the length of the root or shoot. Clear? So here I'm talking about root. So see, the length of these root are same, or it increased little bit only. Okay, but here we can see the enormous growth of the roots. Okay, so now I hope so that you have understood that what is the importance of meristematic tissue. Okay, it will help in increasing the number of cell, which result in increasing the length of a part of a plant. It can be root, it can be shoot. Okay, so here I have finished my activity. I hope so that you all have enjoyed and understood. Thank you so much.